How to group data frame rows into list in pandasgroupby. I have a pandas data frame df-like. I want to group by the first column and get second column as lists in rows. Is it possible to do something like this using pandasgroupby?
You can do this using groupby to group on the column of interest and then apply list to every group.
A handy way to achieve this would be: look into writing custom aggregations, this URL.
If performance is important, go down to NumPy level. Tests.
To solve this for several columns of a data frame, this answer was inspired from Anamika Modi's answer. Thank you.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.